last thing that you bought at a department store?
Air compressor.
An air compressor. Kirby and Adam are going to be doing this scene all in Spanish, and they actually know Spanish, if I'm not mistaken. You know Spanish. Jim and Lincoln, you will be translating for Kirby. Jim, you translate for Adam. Let's give him a little Kirby. ¿Qué traíste? What's up, dude?
Eso no lo vas a poder creer. Es imposible.
Not much. No me diga.
No podemos hacer nada sin eso.
Dang.
Cuidado, es como una niña.
Calm down. You'll break your foot. Adam, this instrument of delicate nature.
I'm sorry. I don't feel well today.
Well, I accept your apology, and let's move on from here.
Mira los ojos. You have a full head of luscious hair.
No sé qué has luchado, pero no es ¿verdad?
L'Oreal, because it's worth it.
¿Sabes que la niña mía se murió hace?
You've always had the better hair of the family. Mine is luscious, but not as full.
Yo la amé. Con mi corazón adentro.
Don't take it so hard. I also have it on my chest. It is still down from my face. You move down my neck and punch.
Shut it down!
That's enough out of you and part your hair in my face. I have a poem. Can you read it?
Yo no sé qué es, pero es para ti.
I wanted to give you a memento of something.
What am I?
That's appreciated. Chanel.
Y la niña mía, quizás podrías verla en los cielos.
Yeah.
¿Qué pasa conmigo? Es que me muero.
I can't see straight because I have a very low tolerance for cologne. I will stab you with my pocket comb.
No, no, my hair's already less full than yours. Be quiet. So I can strangle you.
Dude, wake me at 2.